Okay, so we've done mean, which is the average. Add them up and divide by how many there are. Josh, can you unplug there for me, please? And the median is put them in order and find the middle one. So the third measure of the middle is called the mode, and the mode is simple. It's the number that occurs the most often in the data set. Okay, and a list of data can have no mode if each number appears the same number of times, right? So if there's no one that appears more than others, there is no mode. There can be one mode if one number occurs more than each of the others, and there can also be a number of modes if two or more numbers occur the same number of times. It's the greatest number of times an entry occurs in the data set. Sometimes called that bimode. So for this one right here, what is the mode? It sometimes helps if it's in order, but it doesn't have to be in order. So this one here has got 2 7s and 3 6s. The mode is 6. There's 3 6s. Okay? That looks like my golf scores. Golf scores. You know, I might get a birdie on a par 3, and then I might get a 10.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
I don't know. Which one? Did I miss one?
No. I'm allowed.
Mode is simply count how many there are, right? What about this one here? Ooh, this one's kind of tough, isn't it?
It really would be better to put them in set.
It definitely helps to put them in order, right?
Yeah.
But I know sometimes you want to kind of just, oh, it's so hard. I see 2 33s. I guess you could do this, right? Any other 33s? 45s, 46. Oh, I see a couple of 22s. 285s. I think I got them all, right? Okay, so there are 3 modes here. There are 33, 22, and 85. I guess you could say that that is trimodal. So that is possible. How much is left there? Is that the last page? Or is there a practice one?
There is.
Oh, okay. Okay. Let me just, so I know how much farther I got. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, so this one is sort of an all-encompassing review, I guess. Alexis is the hairstylist of Victoria, BC. In one shift, she earned the following tips in dollars: $5, $2, $0, jerk, $20, 1965. Who tips 1965? $7.89. I guess
What's that?
you're emptying your pockets. $8.50 and $5.
What's the mean tip?
What's the mean tip? Well, zero is pretty mean. How do we find the mean? We're going to have to add them up, right? 5 plus 2 plus... Do you have to count 0? Do you have to add 0?
No.
We don't have to add it, but you have to count it. So it's probably best to put it in. Put it in, right. Plus 20, plus 1965, plus 789, plus 850, plus 5. Oh, I'm not too interested in adding these all up, but I guess I have to. 5 plus 2 plus...
789 is bugging me. Like, why? 89, 789. Just give me numbers.
Well, maybe they just literally dug in their pocket and that's what they had for change.
Yeah.
Right? Like sometimes if I'm somewhere and it's a place where you tip and I get back nothing but bills, I'll have to dig in my pocket and look for change, right? So that might happen, I suppose. I get 6804. Did anyone else do the addition? 6804. Divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, because it's dollars and cents, this is going to be 8505. Oh, I should have been practicing my handwriting over the break. So that's going to be $8.51 because it's got to be rounded up. Dollars and cents. $8.51. That is the mean. Okay, the mode. I'm going to put them in order up here and then move it down. because I can't see both at the same time. So I guess the median. So 0, 2, 5 and 5, 789, 850, 1965, and 20. One way to sort of check to make sure you haven't missed any is to count them, right? We had, I think it was 8, right? Do I have 8 now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I put them in order. I'm just going to move them down here. Okay, so I got them in order. And there's 8 of them, right? So that's going to be 4 and 4. So that's going to be numbers 4 and 5. Those are the middle two right there, right? And then you average those. So 5 plus 789 divided by 2. Make sure you go equals. Divide by 2. $6 and I guess 45 cents. That would be the median. We've already got them in order, right? So it definitely helps, right? 5 is the mode, right? Yeah. So I'll just go like this. Pretty straightforward stuff, right? Okay. I found you guys that I did way too much marking. I know, because I want people to hear this. There is way too much marking for me. I get grumpy. So what I did was I created practice questions. So the front side here, let me hand these out first. I got time. I'll hand these out, and then I will explain. Because I think I'm going to continue to do this more and more. I don't need you guys doing a whole bunch of assignments either, right? Like, if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, nobody wants that. Me or you. Okay, so you notice at the top there it says 3 and 4 to be handed in. So do 1 and 2 as practice. Okay? And then the back side, I only want 3 and 4. Now, how do you want, I can give you the answers to 3 and 4. How do you want me to give them? Do you want me just to post them up on the wall, put them on Schoology, have a sheet, maybe I'll just do a sheet and put it up on the wall. Okay? So I'll give you the answers for 1 and 2. I only want the back side. You have to hand the whole page in, but I'm only going to mark the back side. Does that make sense, Scott? Okay, so less work for you guys, less work for me. We're all happier. If you choose not to do the practice, I'm okay with that. It just means that you've kind of taken a chance you know how to do it. That's all. Okay? So you hang on. This is your booklet for the rest of the unit, just like last time. Okay, so tomorrow we'll talk about weighted and trim means and outliers.